Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can manually power on and power off your JVC earbuds. So as you can see, we are currently connected with the iPhone, and to power them off we have to grab both earbuds and we have to click these buttons. They are located right here, so click and hold until indicators turns red. Just like that. We have to just click and hold them together, and as you can see right now the status has changed to not connected. Then do this one more time to turn them on. Click and hold and wait until they turns to the white. Just like that. Right now we can release. After a few moments this status will change to connected. As you can see, that's how it works. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.